Hi everyone, I'm Thomas. Hallo daar, ik ben Thomas. Welcome to another Dutch whiteboard lesson. In this lesson, you'll learn to make basic comparisons in Dutch. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First, we have the Dutch word for small, which is Hi everyone, I'm Thomas. Hallo daar, ik ben Thomas. Welcome to another Dutch whiteboard lesson. In this lesson, you'll learn to make basic comparisons in Dutch. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First, we have the Dutch word for small, which is klein. 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 And then if you want to make comparisons and turn it into smaller, it becomes kleiner. 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 Got that? Okay. Let's go to its opposite. Big. In Dutch, groot. Tricky to pronounce, but if you can pronounce this, you'll probably be able to pronounce anything in Dutch. Groot. Groot. And to make comparisons, bigger in Dutch becomes groter. 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 Very good. Let's move on to new in Dutch, which sounds quite similar. Nieuw. 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 And if you want to make comparisons, nieuwer. 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 Good. Now let's look at its opposite, old, which in Dutch is oud. 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 And for comparisons, ouder. 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 Okay. Now, cold in Dutch sounds quite similar to the previous one. Koud. 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 And then I think you see this coming. If you want to make comparisons, it becomes kouder. 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 Now finally, let's look at its opposite. Warm in English becomes, well, very similar. Warm. 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 And then finally, for comparisons, warmer. 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 Let's look at the dialogue. While I read, I want you to pay attention to the adjectives. Find the adjective and see how it's used in the dialogue to indicate comparison. Is Den Haag klein? Is Den Haag klein? In English, is The Hague small? Then we move to the answer. Den Haag is kleiner dan Amsterdam. Den Haag is kleiner dan Amsterdam. The Hague is smaller than Amsterdam. As you can see, the essential rule is that you add er to the basic adjective to create a comparison. This is the same as in English. In Dutch, klein becomes kleiner, just as in English, small becomes smaller. English does have many adjectives that require adding the word more to create a comparison. This also happens in Dutch, but much less often. For most adjectives, adding er at the end does the trick. Now let's look at some more examples. Amsterdam is groter dan Den Haag. Amsterdam is groter dan Den Haag. Amsterdam is bigger than The Hague. Next one. Spanje is warmer dan Nederland. Spanje is warmer dan Nederland. Spain is warmer than the Netherlands. The names of Dutch cities usually remain the same in English, but with a slight change of pronunciation. For example, in English, Amsterdam hardly changes from the Dutch Amsterdam. The original Dutch pronunciation of Utrecht is Utrecht. Sounds a little bit different, but the spelling doesn't change. The Hague is a rare exception. Its name literally means the hedge and refers to the aristocratic hunting grounds where the city originated, more than 10 centuries ago. Since we are on the topic of Dutch cities, here's a fun fact. Amsterdam is the official capital, but unlike in most countries, the capital city is not the seat of government. The Dutch government is located in The Hague, as is the main palace of the Dutch royal family. Do you remember how to say Amsterdam? Amsterdam. Amsterdam. And how to say The Hague? Den Haag. Den Haag. Do you remember how to say small? Klein. Klein. And how to say smaller? Kleiner. Kleiner. Do you remember how to say is smaller than? Is kleiner dan. Is kleiner dan. And how to say The Hague is smaller than Amsterdam. Den Haag is kleiner dan Amsterdam. Den Haag is kleiner dan Amsterdam. Do you remember how to say big? Groot. Groot. And how to say bigger? Groter. Groter. Do you remember how to say new? Nieuw. Nieuw. And how to say newer? Nieuwer. Nieuwer. Do you remember how to say old? Oud. Oud. And how to say older? Ouder. Ouder. Do you remember how to say cold? Koud. Koud. And how to say colder? Kouder. Kouder. Do you remember how to say warm? warm, warm. And how to say warmer? Warmer, warmer. In this lesson, you learned how to make basic comparisons in Dutch. Thanks for watching. I'm Thomas, and I'll see you on DutchPod101.com. Tot ziens!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.